the Department of Literature and Languages at Christian Brothers University, we believe students matter. Their lives, their stories, and their futures. That's why we've designed academic programs to prepare students for success. Employers, business schools, graduate programs, and even law schools want students who study literature, rhetoric, and writing because they value effective communication, creative and critical thinking, and professional versatility.
For students interested in the study of literature and culture, the BA in English offers a range of opportunities for studying the role of literature in shaping culture and using technology, but it's a flexible major that will prepare people for a range of careers and post-college pathways.
With a minor in humanities computing, all majors become versatile degrees. They combine critical thinking and computing skills in ways that employers and graduate programs value.
Sustainability studies is a way for students to apply humanities techniques to urgent problems like the climate crisis. It's also a way to practice the creative and critical skills we need to thrive on a warming planet.
English for Corporate Communications, or ECC, allows students to think about rhetorical situations, communication styles, and cultures in the workplace.
Adding the professional writing certificate to any major helps you develop multimodal composing skills that are persuasive across all contexts.
A wide variety of internships with partners all over Memphis offer professional experience and career preparation for our students. Paired with minors like the Equity, Inclusion, and Justice Studies minor, these professional experiences help to prepare our students not only to work in the world, but to affect change.
Through studying forms of literature and practicing the craft, our creative writing students not only learn how to create their own original works, but also how to get published and how to get into a great grad school. They also have lots of hands-on opportunities through things like our award-winning student-led literary journal, Castings, where they can get published and even be the editor.
Our minors in Spanish or French offer not only the opportunity for competitive advantage as you embark in your professional career, but also the cultural competence needed to succeed in a diverse and dynamic workplace.
So if you want to be a teacher, a lawyer, a social media influencer, a college professor, a poet, a marketing manager, a podcaster, or a nonprofit director, or anything in between, the Department of Literature and Languages is where you want to start your future.